Hey everybody and welcome back. If your battery is draining on your Samsung device and you want to solve the drain issues of your battery on your Samsung, these are probably the method you can follow up for that. So let's just get started. We can start by a restart. Hold your power button for that and look out for the restart. A simple reboot should fix many temporary glitches. Apart from that, you can turn on the power saving mode. So go to your settings for that, and within your settings you can scroll down, find the option for battery and device care and tap on it, and basically look out for battery and tap on it once again. After you go to battery, here you should be finding different option. You just need to look out for this option to turn on the power saving, to limit the performance and the background activity. If not this, you can head back and you can go to your display settings, and there you can look out for the dark mode and turn it on. So tap on dark mode for AMOLED screens to save the power. That is also one of the way you can just go over and save up your power or battery drain issue should be solved. Apart from that, you can go ahead and optimize the application. So within your settings itself, you can go to battery and device care and go to battery and go to background usage limits and tap on it. And within here, look out for this option of putting the unused application to sleep and turn that option on, and that should optimize the applications and save up your battery drain draining issues on your device. Apart from that, if you're using a very bright brightness, you can just go and turn it off. Always on lower resolution or reduce the refresh rate as well. And ensure your phone software is updated. Go to your settings for that and scroll down and go over and look out for software update. And if there is any update, you can update your application to the latest version. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the solutions to fix the battery drain problem in Samsung. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.